Hello. Okay, so if there was like one makeup thing that I could never live without, it is my liquid eyeliner. I have like a huge collection of liquid eyeliners because I absolutely love liquid eyeliners, and I love the effect that eyeliner has on your eyes. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to do your liquid eyeliner. Rest your elbow on something, especially if you're new to doing this, and some people say like rest your hand here, but I guess I'm so used to doing this that I don't even bother with that. And I guess you have to be quite used to doing liquid liner if you do it in one single line, but for the effect that I want, I think it's much more important to be neat and tidy. So I do it in lots of bits of lines. Okay, so that is liquid liner. Can you see how it's like instantly opened up my eyes? And I do actually use this on my lower lash as well, but not on the waterline. You would just use it here. Just like on the lash line towards the outer third. Okay. And I'm gonna do the other eye, so you can watch me do that. I'm trying to talk whilst I'm doing this, but I know it's quite difficult to actually talk whilst you're doing this. You just want a really neat, tidy precision line. I do like it thicker towards the outer corner. I'm so sorry, have I been covering up? God, let me see if I can do this with my other hand. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so you would start from here, somewhere in the middle, and then work line out. And then take it out like that. No need to put any more on. And the most minimum bit that you have left on the end is at the end is what you would use from the inner corner. And then once again, not putting any more on, just on the lower lash line, because this does actually last a lot longer than pencil. And the other thing you can do is, you know how I said I don't like wearing mascara, but I do like putting just a bit on the lashes. It just makes the lashes show up a bit more. Yeah, and if you want flicks as well, flicks is not very difficult to do. You would look at where your brow ends and then do that and just bring the line in, and I'll do a proper tutorial on that if you want me to. Just let me know. And that is how I put my liquid liner on. If you want your eyes to look extra fresh and open, it needs a white liner pencil. I'm using Eye Bright. It's actually a baby pink. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah. And you would open your eye and then just even there. I know, I don't know, my eyes shut. Haha. And just a tiny touch of that. Can you see that? Just makes your eyes look more open and more fresh. Okay, so that's liquid liner. So I've done a couple of videos now, and let me think if there's anything else I can do. And I'll be back.